Well guys, here, Stream Auto Performance, Prince Albert, and do some truck stuff. Some more stuff done to the truck, I guess. So, just waiting for boss man to show up. We're gonna head right in there. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a little breakdown of the kit. Essentially, it's a Bluetooth and a wireless remote. This kit did not come with the Bluetooth, or sorry, the remote, so you have to buy that separately. It's a different kit, just an FYI. This kit's actually from Oracle LED. I heard it's a good brand, so I went with it. So basically what this kit includes, it comes two different LEDs. Comes with a longer set and a shorter set. So the longer set would go to the back, and then the shorter set will go to the front. And they're numbered, you can tell. Let's give you a little example. I think the 3 1s are the shorter ones, and the 3 2s are the longer ones. Comes with all the hardware you need, little brackets, bolts, everything like that. Comes with a little, I wouldn't call it instructions, but it comes with a little picture diagram where everything goes, so you have a little bit of an idea. Does come with the solenoid box. Pretty self-explanatory. Can't really mistake that, but yeah, we're gonna get this installed. See how everything goes. Like I said, color shift. There's the part number. So yeah, I think the whole kit overall was about 170 bucks. I think it was 140 for the just the Bluetooth kit, no remote. The reason why I went with the remote is because I just wanted the extra peace of mind, just in case my phone dies or whatever, or God forbid something happens. Always have the Bluetooth, or sorry, the remote on hand. So that's why I went with a little bit of extra, paid a little extra for that. Yeah, we're gonna get this installed. Just we're getting one side done, and yeah, see you guys in a bit. Installed, that's how it looks like. You can basically put these lights pretty much anywhere you want. We decided to put them right on top of the tire, underneath. And here's the wires. Hoping these will be long enough. They look like they will be, but no, if they're not long enough, that's okay. Then here's the front. Here's how the cubes look like. Kind of small, but they have 3 LED little lights in them, so they look pretty bright. And yeah, just gonna hook them up to the battery and see how it goes. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Oops, forgot to put that one off. And yeah, see how this install goes. Got it pretty much plumbed up, each corner. Kind of hard routing, kind of depends on the vehicle, but just got to mount it up right to the frame. So pretty much almost done. Almost done. Can't wait to see what they look like. Alright, so here's the night shot. Look pretty good. Currently on the so-called yellow setting, which is more like an orange kind of amber, which surprisingly enough, it's actually the one that's legal where I'm at in Canada, Saskatchewan, Canada. It's the only color that you can really run outside of, like, you know, the bright whites and the halogen color. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Obviously you can do many different colors. You can do the you know, the strobes, so you can do like different flashing speeds. Has pretty much every color that you can get. You can even customize the colors that you want. Even does like the cop, you know, the red blue kind of thing. Which obviously it's not used for the streets or anything, but it's kind of like a cool little thing to have. Yeah, different modes. You can obviously make it to where it can jump to the beat of your music, to the song. Works pretty dang good. Like it a lot. Guess I'll just show you guys the different strobe malfunctions. Obviously I can't show it to you right now since I'm filming, but I'll switch it right to the I might as well just switch it to the cop car, the cop mode. So here's the police mode. Looks pretty dang slick. Obviously you can go different speeds. You can make it go slower, you can make it go really rapid. This is just like the regular mode, I guess. Yeah, not that bad, I must say. Pretty dang cool. Not bad, eh? Like them a lot. I just want to throw this in there. For some reason, I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but purple seems like it's of course it's the brightest. You can actually kind of see it pretty well in the front here. Don't mind the Hemi tick in the background. Yeah, I'd say purple is probably the brightest out of all of them. For some reason, I'm not sure if you guys can really chime in, but for some reason this bulb seems more red than the or the purple seems more red. The red in this purple on this side looks more red than that one, so not sure if camera can pick it up, but I don't know, you can definitely see it. Let me know if you guys have that, if you guys have Oracle or any kind of rock light, if the colors kind of fade. You can kind of see right now red, this is more purple. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.